Agwu bụ alụsị of creativity. The same way si nwee alụsị na-enye nwoke his essence, metaphysical coordination, which is alụsị ikenga. Agwu is the elusive alụsị amamife that gives essence and metaphysical coordination to your creativity and intuition, so that when you know something that is unbelievable, it is because it is real, not because you're faithful or delusional. Nwadibia Agwu at the Igbo mystics, the reason he goes by Nwadibia is because Agwu Bunya Abudibia. Every seeker of infinite knowledge is in turn a Nwadibia, which when you think of it is both very deep and staring you in the face. Teachable moment, the negative effects of Agwu are by Agwu and not Agwu, as our people have been wrongly socialized. By the way, who is doing all this socialization, guy? Is there still Isiagu in the market? Does Isiagu still exist? Can somebody go and buy Isiagu? Because everything I see is Isiodun, guy. Head of lion, not the head of leopard. Everywhere. I've not seen it in ages. In a long time, I've not seen Isiagu. So what's up? Who is doing this resocializing that Agwu is now known as Agwu? After all, every other mom will look for anybody, anyhow on the side, yeah. Say Oluamumu for Itaime, right? Oluikenga. If you found this message valuable, stream and share Holy Ezumezu all night.